Texas now. Well, this old motorhome got us this far. It'll get us the rest of the way. I'm sure of it. I wonder if that's where they make that water thing, purifier thing. Guys, you say hi, Bree?
Hi.
Yeah, hi, she did it. Oh,
We made it to Livingston, Texas.
and guess what? We are now Texans.
Yes, we are.
And now we're going to go see if we can find us a piece of property and be real Texans. Not fake Texans, real Texans.
Okay.
So now we're off to find
Now
a
we're
toad.
off to go find a toad and a garage to put everything in.
How about that? Oh.
So we're going to leave Livingston today. We're headed out. I guess you'll have to come along and see where we go.
Yeah, I'll give you a little hint.
There may or may not be water involved.
Yeah. Well, getting ready to pull into our spot for the night. Kind of out in the middle of nowhere. But it's pretty. We're old people. We deserve to be a little silly.
Anyway, we're in Columbus, Texas at a Thousand Trail stop.
It's beautiful here. It
It's a
really
nice
is.
stop. We're looking forward to coming back and spending some more time here. We've only been here one night because we're sort of on our way to somewhere. But this was a good stopover in the middle. Nice, easy driving. Just taking our time, taking the back roads.
Yeah. And Texas is fantastic.
It's awesome.
Everywhere we turn. Oh, we could live here. We could live there.
We could find a little piece of property about like this. We'd be happy campers.
Here we are in the middle of nowhere, Texas. I mean nowhere. Take a look. I was just wondering, there's some cows out there. They're a long ways away from any house or barn or anything. Where does Sam, hey, they get water? Say hi. There's Abby sleeping. Great. And you're going to turn this thing around out in the middle of
Are they talking about that road close in?
That's what they're talking. It's that road.
Well, I don't have to go that way. I have to go straight.
Okay. This is nuts, folks. Supposedly there's a, get this, a Walmart out here.
In 3.9 miles.
Uh-huh. This is the kind of stuff we get ourselves into every day. We truly do take the back roads. Oh yeah, there's all the birds are landing on the Walmart sign over here. Well, here we are. That's where we're staying for the night.
$1.99 for gas.
Yep, gas is cheap, rent's cheap. I'm loving it. Oh, There it is. The Gulf of Mexico. I don't know if you can see it, but way out there is downtown Corpus Christie. We have to drive downtown. Our only saving grace is it's Saturday morning. Nothing seems to be open. Let's see how this works out. I know we can't put it in a parking garage. Okay, we made it through downtown by the skin of our teeth. Now, look at the size of this bridge. The carrier out there. CBA 16. I'm not sure what carrier that is. That might be the Lexington. Yep, it's got to be the Lexington. This is just incredible. They're building a new section of highway over here. And this bridge has a walking path or trail or whatever you want to call it on the other side of this guardrail. That would be cool to walk on. We made it all the way to Corpus Christie. Bought the bug. Now we have to drive all the way back to Livingston to register it. So that's what we're doing now, driving back to Livingston. But figured we'd just stop here for the night. We're in no big hurry.
I don't know if you can hear me, but here we are on Super Bowl Sunday, driving through Houston, downtown Houston. On 59 Interstate 69, so we can cut through the big city to get to where we gotta go. Oh, look at that. Wow. And that's, you haven't even put wax on it yet, have you?
Just a polishing.
That's just the polishing compound? Just polishing it out? Look at that.
She needs to get painted.
Yeah, she's thin everywhere.
Save it for a while.
I'll save the patina.
Yeah. If you want to keep the patina, I'd like to take the few dents that are in it out of it.
Can you just tap them really easy and not break the paint?
I can try. Oh.
So we're going to leave Livingston today. We're headed out. I guess you'll have to come along and see where we go.
Here's the back roads of Texas. We've seen some real interesting stuff. Uh-oh.
I hear the...
I have no clue what's going on. I haven't got